Nasdaq IR Insight Investing Tool Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Nasdaq IR Insight are in the description if you want to check it out. Now let's get straight to the review. Nasdaq IR Insight is a comprehensive investor relations IR platform designed for public companies looking to optimize shareholder engagement, track market activity, and improve strategic decision-making. It provides corporate IR teams with advanced analytics, investor targeting tools, and real-time market intelligence, making it an essential platform for companies managing investor communications and relationships. One of its standout features is its real-time market monitoring. Nasdaq IR Insight delivers up-to-the-minute stock performance data, trading activity analysis, and insights into institutional investor behavior. This allows IR teams to quickly identify trends, track peer performance, and understand the factors driving stock movements. The platform also integrates with Nasdaq's proprietary data, offering deep visibility into market sentiment and trading flows. Another key strength is its investor targeting and engagement tools. Nasdaq IR Insight helps companies identify and connect with potential investors based on detailed ownership data, trading patterns, and institutional investment trends. With access to a vast database of institutional investors and analysts, IR teams can strategically plan roadshows, earnings calls, and shareholder outreach to maximize engagement. The platform also includes powerful reporting and analytics capabilities. Users can generate customized reports on investor activity, shareholder changes, and competitive benchmarking. These insights help IR teams refine messaging, adjust investor outreach strategies, and anticipate potential activism risks. Additionally, Nasdaq IR Insight supports compliance and disclosure management, ensuring that regulatory requirements are met efficiently. Despite its strengths, Nasdaq IR Insight is designed for corporate investor relations professionals, not individual investors or retail traders. The platform's advanced features and proprietary data come at a premium cost, which may not be suitable for smaller public companies with limited IR budgets. Additionally, while highly robust, it requires a learning curve to fully leverage its analytics and targeting tools. In summary, Nasdaq IR Insight is a top-tier IR platform for public companies seeking deep investor analytics, strategic targeting, and real-time market intelligence. If your company needs a powerful investor relations tool, check the links in the description for more details. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more investing insights.